Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague at Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. We are your complete Toyota resource, whether you're buying a new car, servicing it, or whether you're adding accessories, whether you're personalizing it, customizing it, whether you're making it your own. One of the most common accessories we add to trucks is a spray-on bed liner. You'll see that in a lot of Tundras that come out of this dealership because it protects the vehicle, it protects the cargo space so that when you're hauling and lugging and towing things, you're not going to worry about the bed scratching it or chipping it. When we do a spray-on bed liner, it's a lifetime guarantee, it looks great, and of course it protects it over the long haul. Did you know that we can, through our accessories department, install spray-on bed liner on parts of the vehicle or all of the vehicle? We recently did this on a 2010 FJ Cruiser and it came out fantastic. With this one, the 2002 4Runner, we've taken all the parts that might have been weathered or scuffed up over time, added the spray-on bed liner. Take a look at this, all of pretty much the lower parts of it. So now you can take this vehicle off-roading and not worrying about scratching the sides, the back of it, the front of the vehicle, as you'll see. It protects it so you're not worrying about scratching. What do you think so far? See, this looks great, and it can take an older vehicle and make it look new again. It's tough, it's rugged, it's bad, and it's protected now. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Let us know if you'd like this service performed on your current vehicle. Would you like part of it done, or maybe the entire vehicle? You can check our website at fredandersontoyota.com. You can also email us directly for more information, contact@fredandersontoyota.com. Please follow us on Instagram at fredandersontoyota and then subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.